What's up, guys? It's Oi Jamala, and I am back on your screen to give you the Big Brother Nigeria reunion highlights. You know how we do it now? I bring out all the gist, I bring out all the cocoa, and I mash it up together, and I give it to you first hand here on Vlog TV. You know how we do it now. Before you continue, hope you have subscribed to Vlog TV, because if you have not, click on that subscribe button now before I lose my temper. But yes, it is me still looking very pretty here again to give you all the fire and all the, you know. Yes, it's Oida on Vlog TV. Don't go anywhere, I'll be right back. Now, on the first gist of today. Now, if you remember, on the last episode last week, I gave you guys all the drama between Messi and Tacha, between this person and that person, between this and that. But today's own, I think for the past 1 week on Big Brother Nigeria, we've been having a lot of relationship mashup, relationship settlers. You understand? Like, people have been coming out to say, okay, I like this person, I like that person. This is why we worked. This is why we did not work. This is how we are now. And if you would ask me, I feel since they ended this Big Brother Nigeria show, the only two people that their relationship has really been steady, or they have been making us think that their relationship is actually steady, is Ike and Mercy, even if their reality show has been doing one kind. But yes, on the first relationship mashup of today, we had Diane and Elozonam. Now, if you ask me, at the beginning, I was not really feeling their relationship, because I'm like, this is Diane, this is Elo, how do they actually add up, how do they work? But well, we only see what the television wants us to see. So yes, they brought them out and they're like, okay, oh, this ship that was sailing, that was going on the eye waves, you understand? I was doing that was now, but what happened, Kilo Shelley? What happened to you guys' ship? Why did it sail? And Elozonam was like, Diane is this one, Diane is that one, something. Now, if you guys remember, back in the house, Diane has been making a lot of noise about Mahuli. Like, see, but if you would ask me, who would not make noise about Mahuli? Like, have you seen Mahuli? Like, have you seen this guy? Mahuli is a speck. But yes, that has been making so much noise that she has a crush on Mahuli. She has this for Mahuli, she has that for Mahuli. When you know so well that Elozonam has a strong thing for you, or you guys have a strong thing for each other, whatever you guys may have going on. So she kept making noise about it, and it seemed like Mahuli was a great threat to their relationship. Then the straw that broke the camel's back into tiny pieces, when Elozonam and Diane with other housemates were going for a Big Brother event, and they were in the car together, and Diane kept talking to this person, she kept trying to talk to this person, she kept trying to invite this person, and she's like, you're not coming for the party. Then Elozonam was like, he parked the car and he's like, what are you doing? Who are you talking to? And she didn't want to answer him. She was still looking at him, and she was like, this person you are asking me, if I answer, I will lie. Diane was pretty truthful about the whole thing. And she's like, if I tell you, I will lie, because the person that I'm expecting, they prepare them. Yes, so they were in the party together, they were turning up, they were having their fun, and Diane kept calling this person, Diane kept calling Mahuli, she kept calling him that, Alpha, where you doing now, where you at? And all of a sudden, she went outside, wait for it, she picked up Mahuli, hugged him, wait for it, and a few minutes later, they left together. Hey, Kasalabot. It peppered me, because wait, sorry, even if it was not a celebrity, even if it was not somebody on the screen, even if it was not somebody very important, imagine you carry your babe, go club, and she leaves you and follows another man. I don't wanna hear say you there with another man, because what? That was it for me. Like, it really hit me. But come to think of it, look at Diane. Oh no, scrap that. Look at Elozonam. Look at Mahuli. But hello. What were you thinking now? What are you thinking, Mahuli? If I am married and I see Mahuli, bye husband. But yes, that was obviously a joke. But well, my question now is, where was Mahuli when Diane was in the house? Because left to me, I didn't see Mahuli post anything about Diane. I didn't see Mahuli support Diane in any way. I didn't see him post that, okay, we should vote for Diane, or we should do anything for Diane. I think that she has been trying to, cut eyes, shoot shots at Mahuli, and Mahuli didn't agree for her. Because left to me, as much as Maoli is a spec and is a hot cake, I feel Diane should really not have gotten that far. At least, even if, okay, fine, you invite him to a party and y'all are having fun, I think it's not right for you to have followed him. You guys probably could have set up another meeting. Now, what happened after that party, we don't know. But Diane claims Maoli dropped her off at home. But if you ask me, now who I go ask? But yes, Diane and Elozonam said they had finally cut things off. They had sunk the ship. The ship is no longer sailing. Yes. It's your Oidamola on Vlogs. If you don't go anywhere, I'll be right back. Yes, we are back on the Big Brother Nigeria reunion highlights with Oidamola and of course, Mr. Pillows. Say hi. Hi. So yes, we're talking about Diane and Elozonam ship sailing or crashing. Then, a day after, I heard the one that busted my head. The part that killed me, that sent me to death, that sent me to the grave and easy, was Mashola and Kimoprah's ship. If you would ask me, I did not see that coming at any point. Like, Mashola, worry, and Kimoprah, our own beauty queen, having a thing. I never saw that coming. Like, I never in my wildest dreams and imagination could have ever thought of that. Like, when they even started talking, that they were asking Kimoprah that what's her issue with Mashola, and she was like, now Mashola never told her he likes her, and he was only always telling people in the house that he liked her, but he never came to tell her he liked her, and he was like this, that, and also her problem with him was that he was too self-centered. When did I ask Mashola to say his own side of the story? Mashola now started his accent, and I'm like, what? Where in this life did the accent come from? Like, how did it happen? Like, it killed me because Mashola normally has this worry accent. He has this worry tone. Like, he has this. They tell him say this one, that one, pidgin accent. Imagine you now wanting to bring in British accent into. How do you want to do it? But Mashola, like, he was not like I would tell him say like, I don't know. Probably don't put the video up, but it killed me. Like, so love can bring out the accent in you. It's like this love thing. I'm going to try it. But yeah, hear the love enter my body. I'm going to be speaking Spanish. I'm making myself French. I'm going to be, speaking British accent. I love you, mate. You know what I'm saying? But yes, the part that took me out was when Mashola said, "I know what I want, and Kim is what I want." Please, input soundtrack. But yes, Kimoprah and Mashola is one ship I am really looking forward to. Like, probably we'll have another Bam Bam and Teddy from the Big Brother Nigeria 2019 Pepe Dem show. Don't go anywhere, it's still Oidamola on Vlog TV with the Big Brother Nigeria reunion highlights. After the next gist, I think we're still talking about the various ships that did and did not sail in the house or outside the house. Then they now brought us to Fraud and Esther. Now, sorry, in my own opinion, I don't know why Fraud had so many relationship drama, because let's say I won't look at Fraud 2 times. That's just my own opinion. Like, because all the days I heard of him I was always crying. Like, sorry, I feel my masculinity, me like this, I'm a woman, gone. The masculineness in me will not allow me cry in public. So not to now talk of the masculine that is supposed to even have the masculine. But yes, there was a Fraud and Esther ship that we expected to sail. When they were talking at the reunion, they said Fraud did not officially ask Esther out. It was Esther that said, you know that, but Fraud, bro, you are telling everybody that you like me, but you did not even ask me to be your girlfriend. That's why Fraud now came and said, will be. How far now? How you say I did not ask you to be my girlfriend? It was at Dubai. It came with receipt. He said it was on the 36th floor that she came out looking all simple to a dinner, and he asked her to be his girlfriend. You asked me how on the 36th floor of a Dubai space, and I what? Let's even go to the first floor and ask me again. I'm gonna tell you a yes. That's right. But yes, he said Esther did not say anything about it. Then moving on, he also complained that, quote and unquote, Esther moves with the upper echelon. In my life, I never hear that thing before. Echelon. I remove it up echelon. But yes, he said Esther rose with the upper echelon. She rose with the upper class, and she pulls up to events in posh cars. That's how Esther just swallow a mashallah blood of shouts. She said, "What? Come here, you are not going to talk to me like that." No, is that like she really scattered it? Like I saw the video and I'm like, when did Esther swallow loudspeaker like this? Like when did she start shouting? That Esther that we know, he is a quiet person. You don't pop now. When did Esther? But yes, I know any girl that is about to be slut shamed always has that reaction, because actually no girl wants to be slut shamed, because if Esther had left for her to continue talking, he will have gone with the fact that she rose with upper class, she rose with different men, and she does it because last that's what will go into everybody's head. We know how Nigerians can be, we know how Twitter users and Instagram users can be. So I like the way she came for him and she told him, "What? Ogbeni, come here. Don't be telling me that rubbish. No, don't be telling me. I have friends that drop me off in posh car as you, they drive Uber." You know what I'm saying? That my holy me Uber. Please, I'm searching for friends in the upper echelon. So if you know you have them, maybe you are in the upper echelon, please go to that comment section down there and say hi. So I will find you and hit you up. Thank you very much. So on to the next. Don't go anywhere. It's Loin Jamola for Vlog TV Live. It's Loin Jamola back on your favorite program, Big Brother Reunion Highlights with Loin Jamola on Vlog TV. Now on to the next gist. This one is even the one that sweetened my soul. So, if you guys remember, Venita didn't come into the house at the beginning. She joined them like some weeks after. So, it got to our notice and our sweet understanding that when Venita entered the house, Omashola said, Omore, this is a babe, this is a yellow pepper, something sweet. Pepper there. Like, she came in with the pepper, and it was like as she entered, he's like the light that is on her face and her skin color just brought illumination into the house. Like it's as if no, Nepal they're not gonna take light again. And it's like this is all I want in a woman. This is my spec. And he noticed that Fraud also was cutting eyes for Venita, and he was like, Ogbeni Fraud, whoa, Alpha, big is still they bring more girls come this house. I beg, leave this one for me. Oh, thank you very much. And Fraud was like, no problem, now I'm sure my G, I will leave this one for you. Only for him to notice that Fraud was actually actively making passes at Venita. According to Obashola, he was like, there was a day he wanted to make yam. And they said it was burnt yam eventually, but there was a day he wanted to make yam for Venita. And only for him to get there, and he saw that Fraud was already making noodles for Venita. The grace this Venita girl has, I want to have is that different men will be cooking for me. As I am like this now, nobody cook for me, but moving on. So he said, Fred had already made noodles for Venita. And there was another time too that he was talking to Venita, and when he stood up, he saw that Fred came and put his leg on the other chairs to avoid him talking to Venita. Now this brings me to my question. My question is, this Venita, is she your mate? Sorry, the Venita that me I know. Sorry, no offense taken and given. But this Venita that I know, I've known Venita for a while before this whole Big Brother thing happened, and I know Venita is pretty old. To an extent, not like I'm age shaming her or anything, but she's way like if this is not like I don't know how to put it, but this is Fraud. Maybe this is a Mashola, then like this is Venita, like something more this. You know what I'm saying? Like so I no offense. So before they go and write my name and say that it's going down my lad that said this, said I didn't see anything. No, director, please cut this part away. Thank you very much. God bless her. Yes, it's Loin Jamola on Vlog TV. I will be right back to give you the final gist on this episode. Don't go anywhere. So on the last gist on this reunion highlights. Now, this is split into two because both of them happen in one episode, you understand? So I'm just going to give you both of them in one segment. Ike came for Jeff. I don't know if you people know Jeff. Jeff is that brother that his mustache has splitting in this place like this. Sorry, bro Jeff, if you are watching this video, explain what's happening on your mustache in this place that is calling like, you know me that I've done this place like this. Explain it to us. So yes, Ike was having issues with Jeff because he felt like he liked Mercy. Jeff was always hitting actively on Mercy, and Mercy was coming to rub it on Ike's face. But apparently, what they knew was Ike was using Jeff to come against the other housemates, and it made him feel bad that Jeff actually turned it around and used that same thing on Ike. And in my own opinion, I'm like, you know, this is what Jeff is doing. This is his strategy. This is how it's coming at other housemates. And he turns around and uses it on you, and you're feeling bad. You are a housemate too. You are part of his strategy. Everybody there came to win some amount of money. Some people won't win that money. So that friendship that you all are doing, both of you are not going to win the money. That was Jeff's strategy. That was his method. That was what he used to, you know. But at last, it's not as if nobody, but I Jeff gone lasted in the house. No, it's not. I think it's this reunion that even made me remember him, because he really, you understand what I'm saying now. And the final one, our own Tacha and Omo Shay. Now, there was a time in the house that I really liked their thing. I liked what they had going on with themselves, but I felt it was short-lived because they were always having issues. They were always having fights and all, and eventually they brought it to the reunion that offer. Wait, sample. There was this one is not shame. This one be like a keno. There was a keno between Shay and Tacha. Kilo Shay keno that the paddle broke. Show broke me. What happened? Then they brought it to the reunion that alpha Shay Awolowo and Tacha baby girl. What happened? What happened to your ship? And they're like, Tacha was like, Shay was very disrespectful. Shay didn't respect her. Shay too was like, Tacha did not respect him, blah blah blah. So both of them were having disrespect issues, yeah. And Tacha was now like, that Shay called her puta. Now, if you ask me, what is the meaning of puta? Baby ala puta. Baby girl, you are puta. That's what me I know is puta. What I know is puta means prostitute. And Shay now said, no, puta does not mean prostitute. Puta means female dog. And I'm like, wait, are you trying to defend yourself? Or you are trying to put the whole thing on you? Because if they call me prostitute, I feel not too vague. But if you call me female dog, Abu Aja, woo. I'm not gonna take it. I know, I will not take it. Then Tacha was like, no, you can't call me puta. Why will you call me puta? Blah 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 blah. And Shay said, you are a bad bitch. As you are a bad bitch, you should not have problem with anybody calling you puta, because you always claim that you're a bad bitch. Now you're meant to take whatever come with the bad bitchness. Like, but I don't have a question that, okay, Tacha has so much issues with somebody calling her puta, but she was going all around calling Mercy a prostitute. I feel you should not throw stones if you live in a glass house. That's my own opinion. And Tacha now came and said, you can't say I've ever insulted anybody in that house. I never call anybody stupid. That's how everybody just turned like, Tacha, I'll be another person. Like, you wouldn't have mouth to say this thing. Moving on, the part that killed me was Venita. Venita was just putting atarodo and pepper in the issue, and she was just attacking. Tacha, you are lying. No, this one, that one, blah 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 blah. Finally, Sadi did not ask for his opinion. I don't mean to say anything bad. Sorry if this thing I'm about to say is gonna cause issue with anybody familiar. But I think since the beginning of this reunion, that was the first time I heard about Sadi. I was beginning to think, Sadi is not in this Big Brother place anymore. So they asked Sadi, and he was like, Tacha and Shay obviously care for each other, but this, that. And I'm like, what is on our Kutumia? But yes, moving on. I actually want to say more. I want to go more, but that's all I can take on today's episode of the Big Brother Nigeria Reunion High Life with Oyindamola and Mr. Pillows. I know you want to keep seeing my pink face, but yes, I will help you. What to do? Subscribe to Vlog TV channel so you will see more and more videos as they drop. And you can also search for the other videos. We have loads and loads of videos for your enjoyment and for your perusal on this Vlog TV space. Please like this video, drop a comment, share to everybody. You know, many people don't really have the chance to sit down with the TV and keep watching these things over and over again. But don't worry, I made it simple for you. I'm giving you all the gist of everything that happened. So yes, refer friends to this page, share this page with friends, let your friends enjoy this thing too. And again, go follow us on Instagram at Vlog TV Live. Now, let me jar you see again, as I always jar you see in other videos. So we always do this live Instagram live video thing that we give out gifts, and it also helps us interact with our fans, with people that follow us. It helps us have a direct relationship with everybody listening to us and watching us. So yes, I suggest you go follow Plug TV Live on the Instagram space now, before it's too late. I said so. Yes, please stay safe. Coronavirus is real. Practice social distancing. Wash your hands. Wear face masks. Till we meet again. Windamola loves you. Peace out.